everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, my name is Saumya and I am the brain behind the blog MYRIAD Musings, and I share fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel, makeup, everything that an everyday girl could be interested in. So if you think we can be friends and we can connect, please do subscribe to my channel. I share a new video every Wednesday, and if you guessed it right, today's video is about makeup. So if you are somebody who's always short on time and always looking to still look put together without putting in too much time, then this look is definitely for you. I am a mom, I'm a blogger, and I am like wearing so many hats at the same time that, I have to look presentable, but I don't have the time. So this is my look. I call it my 2-minute smoky eye look. This is very simple, very easy to do. Anybody, even if you are like, first time, like a beginner, you can do it because it's very simple. All you need is a couple of shades, like eyeshadows, a couple of brushes, a couple of mascaras, if not one, and an eyeliner pencil, and that's all you need. And 2 minutes of, not 2 minutes, for the entire face if you do it longer, but 2 minutes for the eyes. So stay tuned, keep watching, and let me know what you think about going from this look to this in 2 minutes. So keep watching. So whenever you are working with powder shadows, make sure you always put like your banana powder or your, the baking powder for your makeup under eyes here, so that, whatever powder falls off, this collects, and once you dust it off, it's like smooth and there is no stain from the eyeshadow. So let's get started. I am going to be using this one from Revolution Makeup. It is their new eyeshadow palette that I found at Target, and I really love it. It has all matte shadows, if you can see, and I love all the colors for the spring. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be using this shade, which is, I think, number 9. So I'm going to be using that. I'm going to use a round brush, take some of it on my brush, and I'm going to go on here like that. So just on my crease, trying to create like an angle at the corner. Just like that. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. If you think you need to add a little more on the corners, repeat. Okay, once this is done and you've given shape to along your crease line, I'm going to take this shade, which is the black shade, and I think it's the number 11. It's like a gray color. So I'm going to take that and put it along my eyelid. Just cover the entire eyelid. Just follow your natural eye shape. I think that's the best. Make sure you round it when you go towards the outer corner. So this is what it's going to look like. So I'm going to do the same on the other side. And I've been doing it pretty much, all the time. It's like so easy, while my hair is setting and, I'm like, waiting for my hair to dry. This is what I do. And I can go from like my mommy tired look to this and meet my girlfriends, or, just going out with my husband. I can do this and it looks amazing. Round brush, and I am going to use that to blend the two shadows. I'm going in a windshield wiper motion like that, and it kind of blends and softens any lines. Okay, and I'm using the same brush for the bottom, so I go black, and then on the corner I'm going to go with the darker shade. So just like that. You see how easy that looks? And now I'm not done yet. Just a couple more things. So what I like to do is I like to kind of, you know, line the waterline here on the top and the bottom. And I have to tell you, when you're doing smoky eye, you want like a black dramatic look. So, and for that, I would highly recommend using this Urban Decay 24/7. This one is the Perversions shade, which is like the blackest black, and I really love it. So I'm gonna just like that. You see how different, what a difference it makes instantly. It kind of, you know, opens up your eyes and, you know, makes your eyelashes look thicker. Line the bottom one too. I really like to keep it along the corner because I have like smaller eyes. So when you have smaller eyes, you don't want to rim your entire eyes because it's just going to make it smaller. So make sure you kind of, you know, do it at the corner so that it looks like big and, you know, almond shaped, and, you know, you have that open eyes look. So my secret to getting the fake eyelashes look without the fake eyelashes is by, you know, layering my mascaras. And these are the two mascaras I'm going to use today. So this one is by Milk. This is my favorite. I use it so much. You can already see like the paint fading. So this is my first one. So I'm going to take that. It's a soft bristle. It's like really dense one. So I'm going to go with that first. The second one that I am going to use is by Revolution, and this is their 5D Lash Extra Dimension Mascara, and this is a game changer. It's like, it gives so much volume to your lashes. I really love this. You can see it's also dense, but it's like really small. It's like, you know, we really short, so it really goes to the root of your lashes, and it really amplifies it. So let's see how it looks. So this is going to give the shape to your lashes. It's going to separate the lashes and make them look thicker. You see that? You see this one and this one, what a big difference it makes. You can see this one, and what a big difference this 5D mascara from Revolution makes. So I am loving the Revolution brand. It's super affordable and it's available at Target. And, you know, it does the work that you need, and it doesn't crumble like the other, crumble or flake like the other mascaras, and it stays on for longer. So I am loving this. So time to ditch your fake lashes and fake lashes using mascara. So now once you're done with that, I'm going to dust off that powder from the bottom. So here you are. I am done with my 2-minute smoky eye. Very simple. 2 shadows, a couple of mascaras, and 1 eyeliner. You know, be it liquid. I skip the liquid ones and just use like the pencil ones, and it does, you know, the work for me. So I am so happy with this look. It's very simple. You know, hope you enjoy it, and do let me know in the comment section below if you would like to see more of these easy everyday, you know, makeup looks that are wearable and don't need too much effort and too much of your time. So once again, my name is Saumya, and I am the brain behind the blog Myriad Musings. And if you like my work, do subscribe to my channel and turn on that bell button so that you get notification each time I share a video. And I share my videos every Wednesday. So I'll see you next week. Till then, take care, be healthy, be safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.